Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. In this video, we are going to speak about one of the most important topics because of which a student feels very sad or disappointed if he is not able to clear in his or her examinations. Many of the students are disappointed even before writing the examinations because of this reason, and the reason is what will they think? Or what will the society think? Sir, a teacher of mine actually expects me to get a rank in my examinations. However, my preparations are suggesting that I will not even be able to clear in the exams. Sir, I don't know what will my teacher think about me. Sir, my relatives used to compare me with my friend, and I was actually studying better than my friend, but still, when the results came, I failed, but my friend passed. I don't know what will my relatives think about me. Kanna, the society always has expectations from you, but let me tell you that it is never possible to fulfill the expectations of society. For example, even if you are able to clear in the examination, someone from society will just come and start passing a comment that you had passed because the pass percentage was too high, or you had passed because you are very lucky, or you had passed because a relative of yours is a chartered accountant and you might get some special guidance from that chartered accountant, and that is the reason that you had passed in your exams. Similarly, if you are not able to clear your examinations, someone will start coming and passing comments that you had failed because you had a boyfriend or a girlfriend. You had failed because you went on a trip with your friends to some other city. So on and so forth, and this is never ending. That is why it is totally foolish to waste your time thinking about what the society thinks about you. Let me tell you a small story. Once upon a time, a father, along with his small little son, wanted to travel from one village to another. They had an old horse with them. That is why the father and son, both of them sat on the old horse and started moving towards their destination. A group of people saw the father and son and they started telling that the father and son are so cruel that they are overburdening the poor old horse. The father heard this and he thought that the people are actually right. The horse is very old and it is carrying two people on it, which is very wrong. That is why the father stepped down and he started walking. However, the son was sitting on the horse and now they started again moving towards their destination. Meanwhile, there was another group of people who saw them and now they started passing comments that see, the son does not even care about his father, he is letting his father walk on the path, however, he is enjoying on the horse. The son heard this and now the son felt really bad and he immediately stepped down of the horse and he told his father to sit on the horse. Now the son was walking, the father was sitting on the horse, and again they started moving towards their destination. Later on, there was another group of people who saw the father, son, and horse, and they started telling that, see, the father is not kind at all. He's making the small little son walk in bright sunlight on the path, whereas he is himself comfortably sitting on the horse. Now the father again felt very bad and he thought that the society is right. That is why he stepped down of the horse and now both father and son started walking and no one was sitting on the horse. Okay, so father, son and horse now again started moving towards their destination. After that, another group of people were there. They saw them, okay, and they started laughing at the father, son and horse. The father and son were very curious and they asked the people, why are you people laughing? The people said that in spite of having a horse with you, why are you walking? You can very well sit on the horse and go towards your destination. Now the father and son both were very confused and sad that now what should we actually do? What is right and what is wrong, we do not know. Similarly, every single person actually faces this type of a situation in life. When a person is moving towards his or her destination, the society is always there to pass some comments or make judgments. Sometimes the society might be right also, sometimes the society might be wrong also. However, it is you who know what your circumstances and how to deal with your own circumstances. Hence, what is best is to focus on yourself and start improving on yourself, working hard and try to reach your destination and ignore what the society is telling, because the work of the society is to keep talking only. Okay, I hope that you found my video helpful. If at all you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel to keep getting videos from this channel. Take care dear. Bye bye.